How to add text in Roblox Studio. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open Roblox Studio, launch the Roblox Studio, open your game or project or create a new base plate, and then enable the Explorer and Properties panel. Go to the View tab at the top and make sure both Explorer and Properties are checked, and you can add a screen GUI. To add UI text to the screen in the Explorer, right click on Starter GUI, click Insert Object, select Screen GUI and add a text label on text button. Right click on Screen GUI, insert object, then choose X and choose text label for display only text or text button for clickable text button, and you can then customize the text. Select your text label or text button and in the properties panel change text your message like welcome to the game, change font, text size, color, background transparency, etc. And you can also use size and position to adjust layout. And for 3D text in the game world, you can insert a part into workspace, insert a surface GUI into the part, and insert a text label into the surface GUI. Customize the text and appearance as needed in the properties panel. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.